This is a must-try eyeliner technique for brown eyes. Beauties, in today's video, I'm going to share with you a simple eyeliner technique to make your brown eyes pop easily. All you need is 2 different shades of eyeliners. Before getting started with the eyeliner, make sure your skin around the eyes is not oily, which majorly contributes for eyeliner smudging, which we don't want. Apply just a little bit of concealer. Make sure that you blend your concealer on the eyelids, underneath the eyes, all around the eyes. And once the concealer is blended, take a puff and dip it into translucent setting powder. Even out on the back of your hand first, and then set the concealer with it. This is going to give you the smooth skin around the eyes. So once this area around eyes looks smooth and it is not oily, we can move forward. Take your bronzer, any powder bronzer, and then just apply it on the eyelid in the crease. This is going to just add some warmth and definition to the eyes. This step is totally optional. Since we have used concealer and powder, we don't want the blank canvas on the eyelid. Now take a Q-tip, run it in the waterline just to make sure that the waterline is not watery. The Q-tip is going to absorb the water, especially in the very inner part of the eyes, and just hold it for a few seconds. Then take another Q-tip and dip it in the translucent setting powder. Run this along the lower lash line. This is going to prevent any eyeliner smudging. If you want to make your eyeliner stay in place all day long, then these steps are very important. Before getting started with the technique, I want to go through the products as well, which also play a very important role, especially when it comes to eyeliners. So the first one is the L'Oreal. All these liners are long wearing and stay in place all day long. This is L'Oreal Infallible Gel Eyeliner. Make sure that you're using gel eyeliners instead of regular eyeliners, and that makes such a difference, you guys. The second eyeliner that I really like is this Urban Decay Liquid Stick Retractable Eyeliner. You can see how pigmented this eyeliner is. This has a pigmentation like a liquid eyeliner. It glides on so smooth and stay in place all day long. I really like K Beauty eyeliners. If you're watching from India, you know K Beauty, K by Katrina Eyeliner. Those eyeliners are fantastic, which you will see me using in a second. So for the first eyeliner, choose a black eyeliner of your choice. I'm gonna go with the Urban Decay Liquid Stick Retractable Eyeliner. And what you have to do is apply the eyeliner first on the very outer corners and the inner corners of eyes. Leave the center space. Keep it on the outer and inner corners of waterline. And we are gonna leave the center space, okay? Because we are going with the color eyeliner there. Why? That is what makes your brown eyes pop. Why black eyeliner first? We have added depth first, okay? And then to bring out that brown eyes pop more, we are gonna use a color eyeliner. Before we add color eyeliner on the center of the eyes, I'm gonna pull this color wheel to explain why. Brown color is basically a variant of orange or red orange, which sits in orange zone, which is practically opposite to green and blue. So to make the brown eyes pop, we are gonna use the opposite color, which is green or blue. Just choose your favorite green eyeliner. This one is from K Beauty, or you can also choose a blue eyeliner. I'm gonna go with the green. There is something about green that makes my eyes look so beautiful. Just take your favorite green or blue and then run it in the waterline just on the center, okay? Where we had space, just on the center. Just clean up if there is any mass. Then just go ahead and add mascara, both on upper and lower lashes. And do we see the difference? Without and with? What do we think? I did the other eye as well, and you can see how the eyeliner makes such a difference. I always get compliments both online and offline when I wear my eyeliner like this. People often say your eyes are so beautiful. That's because this eyeliner technique makes my brown eyes pop more. Trust me, you need to try this eyeliner technique if you have brown eyes, and let me know in the comments. I hope this video helps. In case if you would like to see this eyeliner technique on any other eye colors, just let me know in the comment section. Hope it helps.